Hello, this is Patrick, and welcome to some more electric vehicle news, or Cybertruck news, or my friend's Cybertruck, because I still don't have one. He was commenting that Brandon, he really likes his Cybertruck, although one of the doors does seem to have a bit of a flaw. It's crazy sharp.
Really super duper sharp. I'm not even kidding you. This is incredibly sharp. Yeah. It's like right there, like a serrated edge. But yeah. Oh. Oh, maybe I'm actually wearing it down or something. Yikesy. Kids, keep your fingers back.
So imagine, cleaning off your car, then all of a sudden the cleaning cloth rips in half. Not great. I actually had the same problem with my Rivian R1T and the cool little tunnel that I had, the gear tunnel. The door that folded down had a part that came out like a sharp little knife edge, and I cut my leg pretty bad on it. I didn't need to get stitches. I kind of opened it up and it fell against my leg when I was wearing shorts, and it cut it. But if I'd run into it or something, I'm sure it would have punctured pretty rough, and I would not be a happy camper. Brandon has yet to submit a ticket to Tesla asking if they can kind of sand that edge down. It's a little serrated looking. Unfortunately, as a early adopter, sometimes you are the one that gets to discover these fun things. I was asking him to try and peel an apple with it, but now seeing how serrated it is, maybe not apple peeling, but maybe some kind of other, cut a steak for a barbecue or something like that. Thanks for watching and tuning in and seeing through my eyes my friend's Cybertruck until mine arrives. Please like, share, subscribe. If anybody is traveling through Wyoming and they need to rent an EV, I've got a couple on Turo now, or for sale. So if you're looking for a Lightning or a Tesla Model Y, I have both those things available. Please like, share, subscribe to this video. Message me if you got any questions. Put it down in the comments below. Thanks. Bye.